So hello guys, welcome. In this video we'll see what maintenance is done by third officers on fire nozzle and also on fire spanner. So basically both of them, fire nozzle and fire spanner, you will find in this fire box. So this is our fire nozzle and it is not in very good condition. So like this we'll collect all of our fire nozzles and we'll start carrying out the maintenance. So before going for the maintenance part here, I would like to show you one small thing as per SOLAS. So as per SOLAS chapter 2 part 2, here they have mentioned that nozzles, those fire nozzles shall be of approved dual purpose type, spray and jet mode, incorporating a shut off. So basically in each fire nozzle you must have a spray mode, a jet mode, and also they must be able to shut off. So this over here is one of my fire nozzles. As you can see, when I'm moving it clockwise or anti-clockwise, so when I'm closing it or opening it, it's moving freely. So make sure you check all of your fire nozzles for their free movement. They shall move in such a smooth way. As you can see, it is moving smoothly. If not, you can carry out oiling or greasing in them. Now this over here is a shut off mode in this fire nozzle. Now if I'll move a little bit like this, now it is a spray mode, and this over here is jet mode. So basically it has all three modes. This is a gasket which must be there in all of your fire nozzles. Make sure you have this gasket in all fire nozzles. So here I will quickly show you what is the use of rubber gasket in a fire nozzle. As you can see, we are connecting this fire nozzle which is having gasket to a fire hydrant. So you can see this is connected properly. There is no problem. I'll connect another nozzle which is not having gasket. So if I'll connect this is also connected. The only problem over here is you can see it is moving. It is not fixed. So if we start or if we open this fire hydrant, water will leak from here. So that is why we must have a nozzle which must have gasket. Otherwise water will leak from fire hydrant when we'll start fire pump. And the next important thing is whenever you check your fire nozzles, make sure your all fire nozzles are matching your fire hydrants, because it sometimes happen that somebody has ordered it wrong and they keep it in fire box without checking. So make sure you confirm that the nozzle size is matching the fire hydrant. You connect it and you check it. So now regarding the maintenance, as you can see, third officer is doing the maintenance on one of the fire nozzles. Now this fire nozzle which I am holding, all our fire nozzles were looking like this, greenish, or dark brown. So as you can see, third officer has literally done maintenance on one of its fire nozzles. At least half of the maintenance is done. Now there are two methods by which we can do maintenance. First is by this emery paper which third officer is doing. So this is emery paper. Basically it is just like a sandpaper to remove any rust or corrosion on any paint, such thing which is deposited on our nozzles. So it is too much time consuming. The second method we'll see later on. I'll show you in later part of the video. After carrying out maintenance by this emery paper, we'll put Brasso. Brasso is just a liquid or a spray, whatever you have on board. So on board we have liquid. Either you can have spray or you can have liquid, depend what you have on board. So we are putting that liquid to shine, to make it shiny. Basically this is put on brass materials, mainly put on brass material. You can also put on copper material also, but mainly it is put on brass materials to give a proper shine. This is the liquid which we are having. So he's putting that, and later we'll see that these nozzles will give shiny appearance. So it is good in case of any inspections. So this is what he's doing. He's applying that, and after that we just have to wait for a while. After applying this, wait for a while and then wipe it off with cloth. That's it. Nothing to do with Brasso. Nothing much to be done with Brasso. So this is to be done on each fire nozzles one by one. So as you can see, after that we have just wiped it off with cloth, and you can see it is given a shiny appearance on the nozzle. So basically before any inspection, if you are expecting any inspection, you must do this, or whenever you are doing routine maintenance on fire nozzles, you must do this. It is a good thing. Now the second method by which we can carry out maintenance on this fire nozzle instead of that emery paper or sandpaper is by going to engine room and bringing all your fire nozzles together near this grinding machine and carrying out the puffing. So basically this is much faster as compared to our emery paper. The only thing over here is you must be careful while carrying out this maintenance, because if you put too much pressure on the fire nozzles, you might actually damage them. There might be small pinholes in them. So be careful while carrying out the maintenance. And this is fire spanner. Same thing to be done on this also. You can put this on near the buffing machine and carry out the maintenance or carry out this buffing. easily, and this will be much faster. After this, just bring all of them together and put brasso. That's it, you're finished. As you can see, this is our final nozzles. All our nozzles and all our spanners are done. You can see their condition. They are in much better condition as they were in before. So at least 3 monthly you must do this. That's it.